Want to know how to manage your account or go towards your account settings in Replit AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website through your web browser. Just head towards replit.com and log in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the right side you should be seeing a different window. So on the top left side you should be seeing your panel right here. So you can just simply click on this icon, that is the Replit icon, and here on top you should be seeing your account or your profile. So since we're heading towards our account or your profile settings, so you can just simply select it. So just simply select account, and once you have selected your account, here you should be seeing your account settings right here through your profile, billing, account settings, and much more. And that's it. You can just simply change it accordingly, roles, themes, domains, and much more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.